Anu and her elder sister Tanu are discussing about the number system.
Anu, let us do an activity. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Express the context as number. Rahul and Sonu sell cupcakes at the school fair. They lost rupees 500 and that loss is shared equally between them.
Oh, okay. Let me think. Sis, I know amount lost is represented as a negative number.
Yes.
And if something is shared equally between two people, then we should divide that amount by 2. Yes, I got the number.
What is that number?
We can express this as minus 500 by 2.
Wow, you are right, Anu. Now tell me, is minus 500 by 2 a fraction?
I have learnt about fractions but haven't seen negative numbers in fractions.
Yes, you are right. Such numbers are called as rational numbers.
What is a rational number?
Let me tell you.
Now, let us know about a new number system, rational numbers. Rational numbers are in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. For example, minus 1 by 2, 2 by 3, minus 500 by 2 are rational numbers. We learnt about different types of numbers in our earlier classes. Now, let us represent the number systems like this. We began our study of numbers by counting objects around us. These numbers are called natural numbers. After adding 0 to the set of natural numbers, we get whole numbers. Then, we learnt integers. Integers include whole numbers and negative numbers. Rational numbers are in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. Rational numbers can be used when we need to represent the distance below sea level in kilometer. That is, we can represent minus 155 meter as minus 155 by 1000 kilometers. Also, we can use rational numbers if some amount is lost and that loss has to be shared by some people. For example, if there is a loss of rupees 4,000 and that has to be shared by 3 people, this can be represented as rupees minus 4,000 by 3. Let us conclude. Now we know why we need a new number system, rational numbers. We will learn more about rational numbers in this chapter.